In this video, we'll see how to record and manage production of goods. Click on Items in the navigation bar. Select Manage Stock from the drop-down menu. Choose Record Production from the expanded options. Click on plus New Record button shown in top right corner. Select a desired warehouse from the drop-down list. I'm selecting a default warehouse. You can add a new one from settings if required. Choose a product from the Products drop-down menu. Enter the quantity in the Quantity field. Input the unit value here. Click on the plus New Row to add another entry. In the form, click the drop-down under Products to select an item. Enter the unit value for the selected product in the highlighted field. Input the quantity for the product here like we did earlier. In the Details section, you can add production-related information which is not captured in above fields for your reference. Click the Save button to save the voucher. In the Stock Receipt page, view the details of products, including unit value and quantity. In the Products/Services section, note that the quantity of finished goods 2 increased to 14.0 units, whereas it was previously 10.0 units before the production voucher was recorded. And also the quantity of finished goods has increased to 11.0 units, whereas it was previously 6.0 units before the production voucher was recorded. So, this is how you can record production of goods in ProfitBooks. It effectively increases the quantity of inventory in the system.